Hello everyone, I'm Diego, and this video is about two species of hippos. They are both found in Africa. One fact I learned is that all the hippos that are female have one male as their leader. Another fact is that they can spend most of their time in water. I hope you enjoy this presentation.
The Nile or common hippo is the largest, native all around Africa. They spend all day in the water with birds perching on them and all night grazing. All of their four toes on each hoof are close together to help them swim more easily. They are also very dangerous to humans and crocodiles. Because of their huge teeth, they can easily kill people in a single bite. The pygmy hippo is the smallest type of hippo. They are native to the forests and swamps of West Africa. They also spend more time on land than in water.